Welcome back, guys, to another video. Whoa. Pot bake, and I'm about to show you how it is done. Okay, so first we have our bowl. As you can see, it's washed and clean. 2 cups, 2 cups, okay, 2 cups of flour. Some clove spread, a tablespoon of gross spread, and then a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, we'll be using self instant. So as you could see, I added half the rest of the self-rising flour. So I'm putting in the rest, just half of it. Okay, so we're going to add in 1 spoon of lard, not much, but yeah. So now we're going to mix in all our dry ingredients in together before we add in the wet stuff. You can see. So as you can see, I'm mixing in the dry ingredients together. Make sure the butter, the lard, and all these things are well crumbled up together. And then we're going to be adding in the water. If you want, you could also add a little bit of oil to it. Okay. So as you could see, I made a little hole and then I added the water. So now as you could see, I'm still doing it in the same way like I was doing it. Okay, gradually, and then we'll continue mixing in that water. Okay. Okay, so now as you could see, I'm using a different way now. I'm trying to knead it in. Okay, as you could see, that's when everything has combined. So as you could see, everything has combined now, and we're still going to be keeping kneading that dough for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you want, you can do it a little shorter than that, but just like to knead my dough. So as you can see, our dough is ready. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm scraping out a little bit of flour at the bottom of it. Okay, so we're going to allow the dough to sit for an hour, well, 45 minutes to an hour, but I'm going to let it sit for an hour. And then I'm going to show you what we'll be using, which is the flour and our frying pan that we will use. I will show you on how to use it in a while. So I'm going to let this sit. As you could see, soft and nice. Okay, we're gonna let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour, but normally I would leave it for an hour. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so our dough has risen. Yes. Okay guys, so as you can see, the pan is heating. We don't need no oil. As you could see, I did it on one side and I flip it over. This is just one method. You could use it with the pot like that, or you could use it like how I did it there, the tower, which is supposed to be the right way. Okay, so I'm adding in raisins to this one. I love my pot baked with raisins in it. It is so nice. So I'm using one hand at this moment, so bear with me guys. I know it does not, it is so sweet doing it, but I'm just using one hand at the moment, so bear with me. So our pot bake is ready, steamy, as you could see. Watch how it's supposed to look. Okay. Okay. That's the one with the raisins inside of it. And I'm gonna show you how I do a flip with my spatula. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay guys, so this is how it's supposed to look. No oil needed. When I say no oil, okay. And I'll fit with some cheese inside of it. Our cheese is about to melt, and let me tell you, that tasting so good. That's only the raisin. Okay, as you can see how nice it looks. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for bigger, better videos to come. Thank you guys.